sake. Well, it's off season and budget motorsport is exactly what we need. So I brought a go-kart. This is a 2006 CRG Maximo. If I am wrong, please forgive me because I found this in the back of my boss's warehouse. You know, we talk about cheap racing and what to do in the off season, but you know, everyone says, oh, you can buy an XL and go race those, but the reality is that's still about 15 to 20 grand, even 40 grand if you want a front running car. To have some fun while we are waiting for the season to start for 2024, I thought, let's get something that's gonna be fun and I can take it every day. I didn't know this. If you go to a place like Southern Go Kart Club and you have a membership, you can literally buy a membership and go out any day you want of the week as long as they're not close to track work. So free weekend, free weekday, take the go-kart out, get my fitness up, and this only cost me $2,000. So it needed a bit of work, it needed, you know, some minor repairs and whatnot, but for 2,000 bucks and unlimited track time, it's a pretty good deal. So I'll show you though some of the quirks and features. So if we come around here, this is an old Rotax. So this is what I've been told is a very, very weird engine. It is old, but it works. And for what you're paying, this can keep up as long as you know how to drive a go-kart, which I don't. If I show you very carefully, look what happened to my rear bumper. So I went out on track and my mate's pointing at me saying something's wrong. Next minute, what I found out was the actual bolt to hold in the bumper came off, hence causing some damage to the tires and the rear bumper. But such an odd thing. So today we're gonna be going to Ian Williams Kart Tuning, see if he's got any spare parts, because I need to get this fixed so I can go back out on track because I really wanna go go-karting. I haven't started it since the rear bumper came off and I just kind of killed it on track. So go-karts. Nearly there? Okay, so it's not starting. This is what I love about go-karts. You get to tinker, so take the airbox out. Now I'm gonna hold that. Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Sake. What am I doing wrong? Is the choke? Oh, the choke! The choke! See, this is what I said about go-karts. If you want to fix your go-kart, they always break, so you can always find a solution.
I'm soaked in fuel. I don't know why that didn't start. It almost did. The first one it almost did. Maybe leave the airbox on? I got no idea what I'm doing, but I saw someone else do this once.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh shit.
Right.
I think we found our problem. Look at that spark plug.
Is that because it's running too rich?
Probably running too rich. That is black. Let's go buy a spark plug and get a new bolt. Here is the Ian Williams Kart Shop, the only one in Adelaide. We're at Ian Williams' shop. Fantastic gentleman over here. He's explained to me why I'm getting so tight in my go-kart. It's because I'm working out the wrong muscles. This contraption here is working out the right muscles that you need to work out. It's everything through here in your wrist, which I have not been attempting at the gym. That's okay, we can fix that, but that there is a simple technique to get the right muscles working so you don't get exhausted in the go-kart. Thank you very much. I've been told by a wise man, you should always get as many spark plugs as you can because these foul so quickly, and obviously I've fouled that one. That should be our issue. So, and also these are not normal ones, these are iridium. This hopefully will fix our go-kart stuffing up. And then next up is our bumper. New bolt thanks to Ian. That goes in there. When you tighten it, the rubber actually collapses onto it, as so.
Oh, that's...
It's like a condom. Look at that. So if I keep pushing, it pushes onto it. This is behind the scenes. I figured out how to put my bumper on. I'll tell you what, go-kart rear bumpers, you have to essentially push in the molding. They're very complicated. I thought it would just be 2 bolts to take the go-kart bumper off, but it's not. Some things on go-karts don't make sense. 3, 2, 1, that's on tight. Thanks to Ian Williams, we did get a spark plug. So let's see if this starts now. It's just odd why it's not starting. Like, it's got fuel. It could be ignition, honestly, but no, it wouldn't have been, it can't be ignition. I'm gonna call up Lee Cocker and see. Call my mate up and see if he knows.
The person you are calling available.
Okay. All right, let's see if this works. I got excited for a second.
Why did that come out? Like so much
Holy
fuel came
shit, I got really excited for no reason. Choke up. I've checked everything. Everything should work. The spark plug's tight now. Ready?
Yeah.
I love two-stroke. It's summer holidays, even though it's raining in Adelaide. So weird. But go-karting is, I'm keen. Thank you, Go Kart, for starting. You made the video good. That's my girl. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. We'll see you guys later.